Hello my dear kids, I am Krina Brahmbhatt. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy at home. Okay children, before starting our new session, let's do some warm-up exercises. Slowly, fast. Again reverse. Roll your hands. Slowly, 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 fast. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Clap your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Again one more time. Clap your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Something new? Let's start. Today we will learn about shape circle. This is circle. Circle means round. Circle means round. It has no corners, no sides. It has no corners, no sides. Now I will show you some objects which are circle shape. This is the sun. The sun is round. It is circle shape. We see at the daytime in the sky. This is the moon. The moon is round. It is circle shape. We see at the night in the sky. This is pizza. Pizza is round. It is circle shape. Children, do you like pizza? It is yummy. This is clock. Clock is round. It is circle shape. This is ring. Ring is round. It is circle shape. This is coin. Coin is round. It is circle shape. This is rubber band. It is round. It is circle shape. This is bangle. Bangle is round. It is circle shape. This is CD. CD is round. It is circle shape. It is used for watching movies, cartoons and songs. This is flying dish. Flying dish is round. It is circle shape. Children, have you played with flying dish? This is wheel. Wheel is round. It is circle shape. It is used in all vehicles like scooter, cars, buses, etc. This is plate. Plate is round. It is circle shape. This is biscuit. Biscuit is round. It is circle shape. This is roti. Roti is round. It is circle shape. This is cake. Cake is round. It is circle shape. Do you like, children, cake? This is finger ring. Finger ring is round. It is circle shape. Have you all enjoyed learning objects of circle shape? Now I will show you video related to circle shape.
Hey kids, do you know the shape that's round? Yes, it's circle. Circle is the shape that goes round and round. It can be big or small, oh, is it sound? Up and down and in the donuts and sweets, wheels and plums and a chocolate cake. Frisbee's a drum and a curled up snake. Circle is my plate, my buttons and beads, onion rings and donuts and sweets, wheels and plums and a chocolate cake. Frisbee's a drum and a curled up snake. Circle is the ship that goes round and round. It can be big or small, oh is its sound. Up and down and in the air. Circle can be found everywhere. Circle is the ship that goes round and round. It can be big or small, oh is its sound. Up and down and in the air. Circle can be found everywhere. Circle can be found everywhere.
I hope you all have enjoyed learning through my video. So, we will meet tomorrow. Okay children, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.